Hello children, welcome back to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijay Lakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, I have promised you to revise the chapter division for you again. So let us go and revise it once again. But before that, I need to confirm that you are well versed with your multiplication tables. Children, I will not be able to help you if you do not learn the multiplication tables on your own. So, be perfect with your multiplication tables and you can find that division will be very easy for you. Okay, so follow it and let us do the revision again. So children, let us start learning or revising from 2-digit numbers first. Okay, so first we are going to divide 85 by 4. So, yes. Now you can see that the digit in the first place is greater than 4. So, let us see how many times 4 goes in 8. Can you tell the table of 4 and see how many times it goes in 8? Yes. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So, you can write 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now, subtract 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then, we have to bring the next digit down. This is 5. And now check how many times 4 goes in 5. Yes. 1 time, isn't it? 4 ones are 4. So, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Subtract again and you have 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So, we have got the quotient as 21 and the remainder as 1. Okay children, is it clear now? Now let us see the next example here. 29 divided by 3. So now children, we can see that 2 is smaller than 3. So, we have to consider all the digits here. That is, we have to see how many times 3 goes in 29. I hope you know the table of 3 and how many times it goes. Yes, 3 9s are 27, isn't it? 3 9s are 27. Now subtract and get 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here the remainder is 2. And the quotient is equal to 9. So children, here in the first case you can see that the first digit here is greater than the divisor. But in the second case you can see that the first digit is smaller than the divisor. And so we have to consider both the numbers here. Okay. Now let us learn the division of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. First, let us divide 724 by 4. So, you can see that the first digit is greater than 4. So, you have to consider the first digit only. So, how many times 4 goes in 7? Only 1 time, isn't it? Because 4 ones are 4. And subtract it. Now, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Then bring down the next digit. Yes. Now you have 32. See how many times 4 goes in 32? How many times? Yes, this 4 into 8 is equal to 32, isn't it? Now subtract 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Then bring down the next digit 4. So now how many times 4 goes in 4? 1 time, isn't it? So 4 ones are 4. Subtract it again and you get the answer as 0. So you have 0 as the remainder and 181 as the quotient. Okay. Now let us see the next type of division. Here we can see that the first digit is smaller than the divisor. So what we have to do? We have to consider the next digit also. So together we take the number 58. Now divide 6 by 58. How many times? 6 goes in 58. Okay, 6 9s are 54. Now subtract 8 minus 4 is 4 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Then bring down the next number 2 and tell me how many times 6 goes in 42? Yes, 7. So 6 7s are 42. Subtract and you get the answer as 0 or the remainder as 0. So 0 is the remainder and quotient is 97. So I hope you have learned how to divide a 3-digit number by 1-digit number in 2 conditions. Isn't it? First condition is when the first digit is greater than the divisor, and the second condition where the first digit is smaller than the divisor.
Let us do some more examples on division. Let us divide 525 by the number 5. So, 5 goes 1 time in 5. Next, you bring down the digit 2. But 2 is smaller than 5, isn't it? So, what will we do? Yes, we have to put a 0 in the quotient's place and then bring down the next digit 5. Now, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now, subtract and you get the remainder as 0. The quotient is 105. Next, let us divide the number 315 by 3. 3 goes 1 time in 3. Now, subtract and you get the answer as 0. Now, bring down the next digit 1. Now, 1 is smaller than 3, isn't it? So, place a 0 in the quotient's place and then bring down the next digit 5. Now, how many times does 3 go in 15? Yes, it is 5 times. So, 3 5s are 15. Now, subtract 15 minus 15, that is equal to 0. So, the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 105. So, children, we have done enough problems in division, isn't it? Now, go through the YouTube video, which also will help you to do divisions easily. And also, write down the test questions and practice more problems on division. See you again next week. Till then, goodbye.